not working. I've shared the screen. Screen is visible, no? There. Okay. So let's begin. Yeah. Okay, let's begin. ये नहीं चल रहा है, इसको बाद में देखते हैं. ये 2 दिन पहले तक तो ठीक था सर्किट. ये क्या हो गया इसको? मैंने खींचा गया. देखते हैं. चलो. Finish been shared there, so we will start from there. So what are we doing the next class? This class we are going to talk about the concept of service providers. Okay. The last lecture which we talked about was business unit. We talked about the service units. So this class, what we are looking after is we are talking about service providers and we are talking about service fundamentals. अच्छा ये करण है ना? Okay. अभी मैं realized that Karan wanted to come to college. Is he there in the class or not? I think C division has the highest majority coming to the college, I believe. Okay, who is there in? You are there. Admin from your division for WhatsApp group. Add me in the WhatsApp group now because I'm not there and I'm class teacher. So that courtesy on me, please. Fine. So we are going to start with service provider types and we are going to look after service strategy fundamentals. There's 2 topics we are going to look after today. So let's come to the service provider types. There are 3 types of service providers which we have. 1, internal, 2nd, shared, and 3rd I have is external. These 3 service providers are the one which are helping an organization to give a service to a user. Fine. Example. You guys are making use of a SIM card, right? Your SIM card is giving you opportunities like an internet, telephone, and an SMS. 3 options तुम्हारे पास available है. जब ये 3 options तुम लोग use करते हो, have you given a thought that where and how are you getting these 3 options? Like you are using their resources. Telecom operator का resources तुम लोग use कर रहे हो. So telecom operator तुम्हें कैसे सर्विस प्रोवाइड करता है ये हम लोग ने कभी सोचा है क्या? प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या हो सकती है ये आज के लेक्चर में हम लोग सोचने वाले हैं. So there are 3 types of service providers which we have. First I have an internal service provider. Okay, so let me give you an example for internal service provider. Have you guys been to Subway? Subway burgers. Okay. When you go to Subway burgers, what has been written on the Subway burger towards the entrance on that glass wall? They make their own bread. Yes, they make their own bread. Now, offers are also there. So right now, when they say that they bake their own bread, is that a service which is helping them to give a competition over the others? Yes. Also, is that a service which is helping them to give a variety of options over the others? Because when you talk about breads, they don't just provide you with one type of bread. They provide you with multigrain options. They provide you with oats options. Honey and bread is an option. Normal bread is an option. So you really have good options which are being given to you by Subway. So that's one example of an internal service provider. Matlab, they are the organization. They are taking one of the service by themselves. Probably not all of it will be taken by them. वो लोग कहीं दूसरे से भी सर्विसेज लेते होंगे, राइट? बट एक एग्जांपल खुद का जो हम लोग ने दिया वो है सबवे बेकिंग देयर ओन ब्रेड. नाउ लेट्स कम टू द सेकंड वन, शेयर सर्विस प्रोवाइडर्स. अभी हम लोग अगर शेयर सर्विस प्रोवाइडर्स के बारे में बात करते हैं, the service which an organization is using is ideally getting shared between two entities. How many entities? Two entities. Example over here. You might have seen this dance classes or nursery kindergarten classes. You will observe the factor that morning के time पे there would be a kindergarten there and evening के time पे there would be a dance class there. होता है, quite a probability, right? What is that? That's a shared resources. Okay. Another example for shared resources. You've seen these mobile towers which are there, right? There are n number of mobile towers right now in Mumbai, and all it's quite visible. Do you think it's a shared resource or do you think it's a completely owned resource? It's a shared resource. Okay. The reason is very simple. First, it's expensive. Second, you need to pay the rent. Third, you need to pay for the electricity bill. Fourth, you need to pay for the maintenance charges. Okay. Fifth, a software update has to be taken care of. Right. So these things are there in the picture. So I have to think what resources can I keep with me as a shared resource, what I can keep with me as an internal resource. Okay. And last, external service provider. External service provider मतलब I completely depend on an external party for my work to be getting done, right? Like I am not doing it on my own, fine. So I am dependent on somewhere else to get my work done. Probability. McDonald's making use of a bread, okay? It could be an external service provider. They don't bake their breads by their own. So that's an external service provider which they are dependent on, right? So I have reasons for all these three things, and now we're going to talk about the reasons. Before that, I'm going to ask you two questions. I want you guys to think on those questions and answer them. First, all of you are right now a telecom operator. Matlab, you are actually a Vodafone owner, Idea owner, Vodafone Idea owner, sorry, Airtel owner, and Jio owner. तुम लोग मुझे बताओगे एक कस्टमर जब कॉल करता है, कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क्स में हम लोग ने 3 फेजेस किए हैं फॉर अ मोबाइल कम्युनिकेशन कॉल. 3 phases of a mobile communication call. I know you don't remember, still I'm just telling you. There are 3 phases to a mobile communication call. Of these 3 phases, which of it could be an internal, a shared, and an external resource? It can be combined, it can all 3 be same, whatever. You just need to justify your answer. Second question. You guys are an owner of a 7-star hotel. 7-star hotel. You have an housekeeping department with you. Now, these housekeeping department is basically human resource. Now, are you going to have it internal? Are you going to have it shared? Are you going to have it external? Think properly, wisely, and give me an answer. I give you a time of 5 minutes, 5 to 6 minutes to think. It can be a group where you think and you give me an answer. Online वाले, I hope it's audible what I said. क्योंकि गुड आफ्टरनून का भी आंसर मुझे आया नहीं है, तो पता नहीं क्या कर रहे हो. यस, तुम लोग ने सब लोग ने ऑनलाइन ज्वाइन किया है ना? हाँ चलेगा. नहीं, ज्वाइन अटेंडेंस मार के निकल जाओ वहां से फिर तुम लोग. मैंने ये कंटेंट टीम्स में अपलोड किया हुआ है. Online students, do you hear the question at least? I don't know. Rajesh what? Let's begin with the discussion. So first, let's talk about the telecom operator. Let's talk about the telecom operator. What do you think? Which resources should be shared? Which resources should be? Lecture कितने बजे का है? हाँ लेट हो गया किसको? तुमको कि मेरे को? अच्छा तुम क्या? लेट हो गया। मुझे लगा रुके थे यहाँ पे तुम।
नहीं मैं हम लोग की देखनी है पहले आप देखिए।
तो देखने से कुछ होने वाला है। तुम दोनों बॉडीगार्ड हो उनके। अच्छा और है क्या कोई? तो फॉर्मल्स क्यों पहनना है? शादी में जा रहा है। Come inside.
प्लेसमेंट हो गया कल।
कल ही प्लेसमेंट हो गया तो आज से प्रैक्टिस कर रहा है। ट्यूसडे है इसलिए फॉर्मल्स पहना है? No, I am really, मतलब I am asking you that question. C division, I am really feeling like I am in a class now. So, रुको 2 मिनट इसको बोलने दो। पहले जो अभी आए हो मास्क पहनो सब लोग, नहीं तो बाहर से कोई आ जाएगा and they will then inform you the same instructions. Okay, let's start. Telecom operator is the first question. What resources in a telecom operator do you think should be internal, shared, and external? Shared. All? Why all should be shared?
No.
What? There are so many resources. सब तो हम लोग शेयर नहीं करेंगे. क्या तुम लोग खुद के पास रखोगे, क्या शेयर करोगे और क्या एक्सटर्नल रखोगे?
नेटवर्क शेयर होगा.
नेटवर्क शेयर होगा. Okay.
Data center internal.
Data center internal and external क्या होगा? Louder.
Maybe rent of the place is around.
That will be what? How can you that justify into external? Like, how is my question? कैसे? So, okay. So you are saying that the land could be external. Fine, fine. That can be accepted. And what else can be external? Can I give customer service external? Customer service. You understand what does a customer service mean? तुम लोग को फोन आता है, तुम लोग ने बिल पे नहीं किया है. Yes. Can I give that service as an external service, but under some terms and conditions, because I am giving you a phone number, right? So that is a reason that you have to be taken care of while in the telecom industry. So whatever answers you gave are quite right. Now coming to the hotel industry, what do you think it should be? The housekeeping department should be what? It should be internal, external, or outsourced. So let's have multiple opinions, because this answer will have multiple opinions. Yes, correct.
Depending on the hotel, whether it's able to afford it or not.
It's a 7-star hotel.
Okay, so if you have more manpower, then you can put it as internal service provider. And if you want to outsource to a better company that is much more better than their own human resources, so you can do it as external service.
Okay, so you say that it could be external, indirectly. Yeah. Can I have any other options? Are all supporting external? Louder? It can be both. Internal and? Okay, internal and outsourced. Fine. And anybody saying it to be shared? No? Nobody says it to be shared? Fine. Now, if it's a 7-star hotel, your opinions are quite right, depending upon what is the standard of the hotel, like what is the income source of the hotel which they have. They should be having an internal supply with themselves. मतलब internal तो होना ही चाहिए, because they are 7-star in nature. Second, if there are any kind of events, any kind of occurrences which are there, then yes, I can go for an external outsourcing here, right? So it's a combination of both, depending upon what scenario I would have ahead. Okay? So now let's move ahead to the next topic. Are you there on the same slide as me? Slide number 7 पे आ जाओ. Slide number 7. मतलब page number 7 of the PDF. Yes. I want all of you to read the first point. I want all of you to read the first point of the slide which I have marked. First point. Everything in a strategy is very simple, but that does not mean that everything is going to be that easy. Yes. When you guys submitted your TY projects, or you were giving the TY project presentation, is this statement going with your presentation? The very first day when you were trying to present your topics? Yes or no? तब से first part of the statement was with you. अभी तुम लोग सेम 6 में हो, अभी दोनों statements तुम्हारे साथ हैं. पहले तुम्हें क्या लगता था? Everything, मतलब whatever strategy you have applied, it's going to work and it's going to be simple. Knowing that it's not going to be that simple, right? Here, why are we studying this? First, we studied service providers. The next topic which we are going to study is strategy. Strategy is basically acting as your planning phase. We don't really pay attention to the planning phase. Okay, in planning phase, we need to find out कि जो हम services देने वाले हैं, उस services के लिए मुझे service providers की ज़रूरत है. And these service providers have to be bought up with the best competitive rates. Now, when I have to bring the service providers to my industry, to my organization, I have to take care that these service providers are something the best in the market which I have. Hence, there are three characteristics which a service providers need to give to an organization. Check the three characteristics below. Point number one, market focus. Point number two, distinctive capabilities. Point number three, performance anatomy. Now, point one, market focus, if I'm talking about. Uh, Depending upon the scenario which I have right now. I have brands like Flipkart, I have brands like Amazon with me, right? I also have a brand like Alibaba with me, right? I have these three people and we're going to talk in terms of the three people in the population like you. Which one would you select for the delivery of the goods?
Amazon.
Why?
Easier, most straightforward.
Easier. Easier is what? What is the definition of easier?
The user interface is like good
Better
delivery.
logistics.
Better logistics, okay, and
Then is tracking of the
charges are what? High,
less.
less for Amazon, okay.
Trustable brand.
Trustable brand, fine. I doubt on that trust word right now because there are many problems which have occurred. If you guys are reading news, Amazon is actually getting fired up by many people because of illegal selling of drug items. So read that now. Like they are not at fault. They are actually taking people on their shelf. So verification process में कहीं पे गड़बड़ हो सकता है, right? So why did I ask you this question? Is market focus acts as an important player. Tomorrow, if you guys turn to be a service provider and you have to survive in the market, when you are a service provider, you need to give a best rate. You need to build up relationship with organizations. So you need to have some distinctive capabilities with you, which makes you really thorough in that market, right? Distinctive capabilities matlab kya? Some asset which is different from the others. Some point that somebody else is not providing you, but only you are providing it, right? And second is the performance anatomy. A performance anatomy says what? When you are delivering any product to any person, it comes in the process of a graph, right? So your graph is indicating you that where you go low and where you go high, right? Now, your performance can be measured, your performance cannot be measured. Two ways. Measured comes in the metric way. Non-measured is your relation with the organization, the way you talk to the organization, right? So can that be measured? Certainly not. Okay. So performance anatomy ये दो processes में calculate होता है. First measured terminology. Second, it is the way you build up your customers with the communications. Okay. So that is what the service provider has to take care of. Simple, I'll tell you. Miss Universe. Who's a Miss Universe 2021? गर्ल्स को ही पता है, बॉयज क्या कर रहे हैं? मतलब I really tell you, I expected this answer from boys. तो you were not reading or what? Instagram scroll कर रहे हो कि नहीं? You halt पे है Instagram के ऊपर. नाम क्या है? लड़की का चेहरा याद है. Good. Please चलो, बहुत अच्छा है. कौन कौन नाज? कौन? ठीक है. The reason to ask you this question. Did you see the videos which were linked to the complete process from where she was and where she has been now? Just to go to the complete process. Now, if you, in simple terms, if I say that she acts to be a representative for India, right? So she has to understand what are the competitors going to do. She has to know her distinctive capabilities very well. And she has to raise the bar for the performance anatomy because that's there is no one round on which the calculation has been done. There are multiple rounds on which the calculation has been done. right? So that's a performance anatomy which needs to be calculated. So every service provider need to have individual characteristics which make them different than yours. It's a service provider. Vodafone is a service provider. For last few days or few weeks, there are people who are cripping apart saying that we are not getting internet services very well or connectivity services very well. पहले ये एयरटेल में था, अभी वो इसमें हो गया, वोडाफोन आइडिया में ये प्रॉब्लम हो गया. ठीक है, you need to understand these problems. Now, let's come to the 4 P's of service strategy. Think about your project documentation and tell me, do these 4 P's exist for your project documentation or not? Project documentation के लिए 4 P's exist करते हैं कि नहीं? Okay, can you tell me how these 4 P's actually exist? At what phases?
Plans.
Plan. Directly plan में आ जाओगे. It starts with an idea. Now tell me your idea which you decided for your TY project had what time span? कितने time span में तुम उसको पूरा करने वाले थे? कितने महीने हो गए? साल होने आ गया अभी. Perspective. The very first point. Okay. Come to the second one. Position. क्या प्लान किया था? कब तक? कुछ नहीं है उसके बारे में, छोड़ दो, हमें पता भी नहीं है मैम हम क्या कर रहे हैं. Except a few. It's not a demotivating thing which I'm telling you, but the reason to tell you is this happens every year, except 20 to 30, take around 50 students who are in line with their project, but others, it's very difficult to get them on the project. The reason to push you over here and taking this topic is it's a month of December. You have 7 days toward the end of the December, right? In those 7 days, at least look on your project. Because if things go into a theory exam, you need to do a preparation also. Simultaneously, when you are in the lectures, theory lectures attending in the college, I request all of you to start writing some pointers. Reason is not book भरना is not my task कि तुम लोग लिखो, ये भी नहीं. तुम्हारे muscles थोड़े flexible हो जाएंगे. ठीक है? Theory exam लिखना है. Directly appear करोगे तो बहुत problem होगा. Handwriting पूरा कहाँ से कहाँ चला जाएगा. This is not a problem with you. As a faculty, I am telling you, because we were into it, use of writing also. Now it's more over just typing. So when I even write, I know what my handwriting was and what my handwriting is being right now. Start writing some pointers, flexibility to your fingers. Okay? Now, coming to the second task, which is position. Position basically tells you a well-defined plan for your any criteria. मतलब अगर तुम बोल रहे हो कि मेरा ये टास्क कितने टाइम पीरियड में होना चाहिए, तो उसके लिए तुम क्या प्लान करोगे? That's your position. Fine. Coming to the third one, planning. Planning over here talks about the amount which you're going to incur for anything. You as a student don't think of this because we don't incur any amount. If you are doing an IoT based project, yeah, at that point of time you could think about a plan because you're paying for an IoT based project. Hardware के लिए तुम pay करते हो. But if you're doing a solely software based project, then no, you don't pay for it, right? So plan over here is till what detail do you need to achieve your project. Some students, after completing their project objectives, still they decide to add on a new features to the project. करते हैं, जो फ्यूचर में डालने वाले थे वो भी वो लोग डालते हैं. ठीक है? So plan is where are you going to stop? There has to be a full stop to it. Okay. And last is a pattern. Pattern के बारे में I will talk. Have you guys learned about Gantt chart? Copy paste किया वो बात अलग है. पर Gantt chart use किया EY के project में. Gantt chart क्या करता है? Timeline for development. So your SDLC phases, you showed it with the help of a Gantt chart. So your SDLC phases when you showed in the terms of a Gantt chart, did you decide that what phase should be given how much amount of time? Yes or no? You actually did that, right? If you have not done it, then means you have done something ulta. ठीक है? अभी pattern और Gantt chart का relation क्या है? Pattern is a way in which that when you are defining something new, there is something which is existing. From the existing you come to new. तो existing में new से जो convert होने का time period रहता है, human resource भी convert हो रहा है. Example, जब computers market में आया and people were using typewriters, right? From typewriters to computers, was there a shift? That shift required a training. So that is a pattern. Training time to be incurred. Does it require a cost? Yes. Cost kitna? For first training this much, second training this much, third training this much. That's a pattern which needs to be taken care. Is that clear? So these things come into the 4 P's of service strategy. Clear? Now, let's come to the first one. Perspective. Come to the last point of perspective, all of you. The one which is marked. And please give me an example for perspective for any product which you have seen in the market for some good time span of any industry. Sorry?
Yeah, Gladeon.
I did not get
Gladeon is a web hosting company which also provides like designers and everything, and it's relatively new in the market. So actually, what they are doing distinct from GoDaddy and other competitors is they provide a Zoom call support for the people, and they also take money as cash or WhatsApp or any.
What is this company? Like, what do they do?
Consulting, marketing, and almost every department. So they are providing everything on one platform, and like they are removing all different kinds of competitors from the market by providing very cheap rate. Like you can get
the name of the company.
Vadeon.
Vadeon.
Vadeon.com.
To see what they are doing.
It's a subsidiary.
It's a
Subsidiary.
Good example, good work.
Ma'am,
What's the time frame for the project?
ma'am, आपको chair special discount.
I would require one, not so. But I also require a person to look for my data operations because I won't be doing the data operations. I don't know that much of time.
Ma'am, we do everything.
I have a question then. You have your own platform. Why? मतलब उधर का डेटा लेके तुम्हारा ट्रेड करना। उसको कर रहा है ना, ये इम्पोर्टेंट है। ये इसके वजह से टाइम पास नहीं कर रहा है, मतलब वो टाइम पास नहीं कर रहा है, वो अच्छा बच्चा। Okay, so what is your time frame? Now we have given an example which is quite a valid one. Now you would be having some time frame, you would be having some perspective. So what is it that you have defined?
Ma'am, it's like for 6 months we are providing like.
No. I'm not talking about that. Like you have decided that you want to reach this benchmark, you want to achieve this. So कितने time frame में तुम्हें वो achieve करना है?
So we have taken 6 months as that time frame to at least gain 2,000 customers. So like currently we have 250 customers.
Okay. So that is what is the first terminology, which is perspective, which is talking that if you are planning for something, okay, that plan needs to have a time frame. That there are certain projects which don't have a time frame, right? Like Elon Musk का तुम लोगों ने अगर projects देखा होगा from a rocket, right, which was not having reusability as a parameter, but to a rocket which currently, if you look after, has reusability as a parameter, time frame data. Okay, then the Collider project, right? Check the time frame. It's really an infinite time frame project which is happening. Okay, so every perspective which you establish needs to have a time frame for its achievement. It can be only be done when you're clear about it. For example, he is very clear. I need 2,000 people with me in the next 6 months. टाइम पे डाला है, उसको पता है कि मुझे फाइनल आउटपुट क्या चाहिए. Yes, so that your perspective is only one who is going to tell you, and for that people actually look for consultants, okay, or the people who could help you to achieve this. Okay. Come to the next one, strategy as positions. Now strategy as positions is here. How distinctive are you going to be in the market so that people are going to follow you? You can only be distinctive with some characteristics which have been listed here. There could be many than this. Okay, first, variety. Second, need of the customer. And third, accessibility of the customer. I give you an example of Amazon. Flipkart is our very own brand. It's Indian products, so no problem for it. Amazon के बारे में सोचो, Alibaba के बारे में सोचो, right? Amazon was a US based product, came to India, right? After coming to India, they set up themselves in India. Okay. चलो ये तो हार्डवेयर बेस्ड मतलब क्या बोलते हैं, वेबसाइट हो गया, और उन्होंने अपना सब काम सब जगह पे फैला दिया. ऐसे ही एक प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में अगर तुम लोग सोचोगे, Oracle company, everybody knows it. Oracle is the one who is into market for giving softwares to the people. They supply softwares from supermarkets to banking, right? Again, Oracle is a US-based company. They were only working in US. Then from Walmart, that is वहाँ पे product देने के बाद now they have shifted to every country which is there possibly available. And how they have done it, that is variety and need based. Because Walmart, which is there in US, it is functioning very well in their order delivery, order billing, understanding the needs and understanding the consumers. Okay, तो producer consumer का जो problem है वो solve हो जाता है. जो हम लोग बैंकिंग सेक्टर में भी सॉफ्टवेयर यूज करते हैं, दे आर आल्सो बीन सप्लाइड बाय ओरेकल. ठीक है. नाउ इफ यू सी L&T, it is L&T only, right? L&T prepared the income tax website, right? L&T ने किया ना, LTI किसने किया? LTI ने किया कि टेक महिंद्रा ने किया? नो रे, आई थिंक इट्स LTI only. मुझे वही उनका ही नाम याद है. They are the one who prepared this website, right? So what is that? That's a shift, that's a need, and with need I am changing my needs. Okay. Accessibility is the most important point which needs to be taken care of. Jio is one of the service providers to establish themselves in Indian corners where other service providers could not reach. MTNL was one of it earlier, but then Jio has put in that much amount of infrastructure. Okay, so that is how you position yourself in the market, so people will buy you. Clear? another example. Instagram पे हम लोग जो इतना reels देखते हैं, I follow this one person on Instagram. नाम नहीं मुझे याद है. He's a Maharashtrian comedian. Curly hair. Yeah, Neil. Okay. Now this fellow, even I did not knew it. One of the student clicked a photograph with him and he posted on Instagram. And just he had written with my favorite actor करके ऐसा. तो मुझे कौन है ये? So I started checking out. तो check करने के बाद मुझे पता चला कि this person from nowhere, okay, he was just a back-end editor who did the work of editing videos for a firm. That firm helped him to gain more better. Then eventually he started releasing videos, single videos, right? Then he gathered his friends and with them he started preparing videos. And now he turned out to be later on an influencer. Now he is into advertisements, yes. And if he does not release a video, right, there are n number of messages to him that why have you not released any video? What am I trying to say here is you have to understand the customer needs and you have to work as per those needs. Then only people will start buying it. Okay, so he is acting as a service provider. Definition of service provider in terminology. Okay. Coming to the strategy as planning is something which is really very important. We don't do it as such, okay, until and unless you know that it is going to give you best output. Last, coming to strategy as patterns. I told you right now कि patterns are more important again because you decide कि किसके लिए हमें कितना time और कितना expenditure incur करना है. So when you know the pattern, then you will move ahead. So check the end amount of patterns which they are giving you. This is just an example. Pattern के types देखो. वहाँ पे slide में लिखा हुआ. तो ये सिर्फ types है. पर ऐसा नहीं कि form by fast you have to use them. You can use some other patterns too. Did you read it? At least a glance on it? Yes? Any questions for today's lecture? Any suggestions you want to give? Say. Huh? No suggestions? Bolo Zaiden what? Zaiden services. Zaid server. Yes, sir. Any suggestions? Okay, sir. So that's it for the day. आज ऑनलाइन में कोई एक्टिव नहीं था लग रहा है, सब पैसिव है. हाँ, इसलिए ऑनलाइन वाले शांत है एकदम.